When you're working in reporting services in Visual Studio, you might decide that you want to change the default screen layout. So all the windows you have open can be clicked and dragged and moved around by clicking and dragging on their title bars. You can leave them as free-floating windows, or you can also attach them to various other parts of the screen by hovering the mouse over these little icons. Now, it's possible to change every single window. You can open up new ones, you can close down existing ones, but you'll probably get to the situation like I often find myself in, where you regret all of the choices you made and you simply want to get back to the default screen layout. Now, you could just try to click and drag and reposition the windows manually, but who's got time for that? Let's head up to the window menu at the top of the screen and instead choose the Reset Window Layout option. And that'll put every window back in its original position if you choose yes to confirm it. You might find that it closes down a couple of extra windows that you've opened up, so at this point I've lost my report data window on the left hand side, but I can bring that back fairly easily by heading up to the view menu and then finding the appropriate window in the list. I think that's docked down somewhere towards the bottom. There it is, the report data window. And then I've also lost my properties window, which I had displayed in the bottom right hand corner. So I can go up to view and then choose the properties window as well. So there you go, a quick and simple way to reset the window layout in Visual Studio.